about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. It is so nice out today. It's really hot, so Christian actually has a friend over, Audrey. You guys have seen her in a bunch of vlogs. We're gonna do a pool day. You're so cute. They just got their suits on. They're so excited. And so yeah, I just thought I would vlog throughout the day. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I did go ahead and make them a lunch that we can take to the pool, and that's a big question I get from you guys from a lot of my following who's moms or dads, and you want to know about quick, healthy, and affordable lunches and snacks that I constantly give Christian, and I've never made a video about that. You're so cute. I do want to say I'm not perfect. You know, we don't always eat the healthiest. I want to keep it transparent and realistic with you guys. Sometimes things are quick and they're not going to be super healthy. You don't have to feel a lot of mom guilt for that. I'm not perfect, but I really love their lunches today. I made 2 lunches for them and some snacks to go, so I hope you guys will enjoy those ideas for your own family. You guys are so cute. So I hope you guys enjoy the meal ideas and seeing the little ones at the pool today. Christian, tell them, what do they got to do?
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe and let's go to the pool.
And let's get a big thumbs up.
Alright, so the lunch I ended up making for the kids was really easy. Every ingredient was super affordable and they loved it. So you can just use whatever bread you want. I'm kind of just doing a little twist on a normal turkey sandwich. I was doing the Sara Lee bread, which is actually kind of like pretty low in carb. I don't know if it really matters to you guys for your kids, but my son really likes this. We're doing a little bit of smoked turkey breast. The white is actually not mayonnaise, it's Veganese. I got from Albertsons. I really like it, so it is plant-based. I was using a little bit of American cheese, and then the kicker here is the everything but the bagel seasoning. This is really, really good. It does give sandwiches and bagels and eggs a lot better taste, so my son really likes that. I was actually just doing about half a cup on each of their plates of a berry mix. Sometimes I do bananas and strawberries. Today it was just blackberries, raspberries. I did cut up one of the chocolate caramel and pretzel bars for them to just put something a little chocolatey on their plate. I did use one of the Silk dairy-free yogurts if you're vegan or plant-based. My son loves those. And then on the other plate, for something a little bit different, I did one of the squeeze pouches. This one was chia superfoods. So it's kind of got a little green superfood complex in there, and the kids actually still really like it. So we ate some of this at home and also took some of the leftovers to the pool. Took me like 2 minutes to make. It was pretty healthy. It didn't have to get fast food, just a quick lunch that I know they'll both eat. So later in the afternoon when we got back from the pool, I was making the kids a snack, and this is also great for adults as well. I really loved it. We're just making at home, like homemade from scratch broccoli tots. So you want to take 2 huge broccoli florets and chop them up as small as you can. I actually should have chopped them a little bit smaller than this. I'm going to add in 2 eggs. I'm going to do a little bit of panko breadcrumbs, a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and then also some Mexican cheese. I got every ingredient from Albertsons or from Stater Brothers, so it was really, really affordable. And then I did go ahead and preheat the oven to 350, and I ended up pouring out like all this broccoli mash. What you can do is actually shape them into little tots, but I actually took the top of a mason jar here, this little circle thing, because I decided to make, I don't know what you'd actually call this, like kind of like little pancake shapes of them. I just wanted them to be like little broccoli fritters that I could dip inside veganese or like ketchup or mustard or something. I ended up just putting them in the oven at 350, I believe, for about like 20 minutes. They didn't turn out in like perfect circles, you know, but that's okay. This is how they turned out. They were so good. The cheese was melted on top. They were like all browned at the bottom. They were bomb. I did end up just pairing them with ketchup. Christian really liked them as well, so they're great for toddlers, kids, or for adults. And yeah, I don't know. I think like the brown on the bottom, they were like burned a little bit. They were really, really good.
What's up, guys? We're making pizza. This is crust right now, and we're gonna put cheese on it,
Yeah.
and chicken, and sauce, and olives.
Yeah.
Don't forget to thumbs up,
You're so cute.
up, down.
No, don't bounce down, you little brat. All right, let's make this pizza. All right, guys, so as little man told you, we're just making a little pizza for dinner. Instead of buying one that was pre-made, I thought it'd just be fun with him. It's always fun with kids, right? To make them feel like the chef and cook. We're just taking some red pizza sauce from Thrive Market. Any marinara sauce will do. I know you can actually get marinara at the dollar store. You can make this really affordable. We just got a 2-pack of pizza crusts from Albertsons. We're taking a blend of Mexican cheese from Stater Brothers. That was like $2. Again, it's just kind of fun to let Christian do it on his own. The pizza ended up being messy and stuff, but that's just how it is with toddlers. He had a blast kind of creating this, so that was really the whole point. He really likes olives, and he's pretty plain. Sometimes he puts some chicken, sometimes he doesn't, but that's pretty much it. Just, you know, letting him kind of have the experience of doing it himself. I did preheat the oven at 350. I helped him go and put the pizza on the oven rack. I don't put it on the tray. I put it right on the rack for about 10 to 12 minutes, and you have a super easy dinner. Again, this one wasn't really the healthiest, but I did eat some, and then he ate some, so we only had to make one dinner, and it's really easy and convenient and affordable.